Hi,
Hi.
it's me.
Yes, and me.
Today I'm going to unboxing a pneumatic paint gun
Yeah.
and some accessories.
Yeah.
So let's start with this.
Yep.
This is why you need to know.
Blah
All
blah
of
blah
this
blah
stuff
blah blah blah
heavy
blah
side
blah
or
blah
what?
blah blah. Yeah.
Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Good. So, oh, I see it's easy to open.
Blah 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 blah.
Stay. It's empty. Woohoo!
It's okay.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah. Yeah. It's okay.
I can sing a song. I can? No, I can't. And here is some accessories. Oh yeah, you can change this part.
Yeah.
And this too. It's bigger, smaller, or...
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
This is smaller. 1.2. See?
Oh yes, here is the size.
Yes. 1.5.
And here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you see guys, but here is... So, let's see this one now.
Yeah.
Ooh. Check. Oh my gosh. It's so heavy. Something inside.
No.
Okay.
No.
This is some adapters or what?
Click. No. Come on.
But
Yeah.
that's
okay.
all?
Yeah.
And some more. You can put this here, I'm right?
Yeah.
And here. Yes?
No.
What? No. Check.
So nice.
It's not good.
It's okay. It's okay.
For me, it's okay. And this one. Yes.
Click. Oh. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Your neighbor's here.
Yes.
Oh, Mario.
Oh my goodness.
Come on.
Good? Oh my gosh! Good. And this here. How smart I am. And it's done.
Okay?
Yes. I think yes. Okay, so now let's do a test. Be good. So, this works.
Yes.
Now let's see the pneumatic paint gun. Well, now we will try only with water.
Yes.
Dee-dee-dee-dee. Oh, thanks.
Yes.
So, it works?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
It's okay, guys. So this is how it looks and how it works. Yes, right. So, thanks. Are you done? Thank you for watching. You're so bad. If you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's see what he do. And subscribe and comment, please. Be good. You can follow us on TikTok, on Facebook. No?
No.
On Instagram and Twitter. Bye-bye!